Hi there! To get started with Swift Commerce, all you have to do is head over to your WordPress dashboard, hover on the Swift Commerce nav menu and click on the Swift Commerce. It will open up the dashboard in a new tab, and here you will be able to see everything at a glance. On the left sidebar, you can see all of the features are grouped into their own categorized sections, and below that you'll have quick access panel. The quick access panel is going to give you access to the globals, license, system info and support. And the support is further having their own links where you can access, either you want to access documentation, bug report or anything else. On the right side you can see the main dashboard area where you have multiple sections having their own purpose. So the first one is the getting started. It's an easy getting started section where you can access these features right off the bat. For example, if I want to go to the wishlist feature, I can just click on it and the settings panel of the wishlist feature is going to open for me. But right now, since it's disabled, I cannot do anything with it. So let's go back to the dashboard and see more. The same thing is happening with other features as well. The next section we have is the how to. It is basically giving you the documentation or any other sort of helping links to get started with Swift Commerce, or if you need any other help. After that, the next section is enabled features. This section is going to help you easily see which feature is enabled and which one is deactivated. At a glance, you can easily see that we have so many features, but all of them are currently disabled because we haven't enabled any. So it gives you an easy access of which feature is enabled or not. The final section is the latest from Swift Commerce. It is showing you a list of 5 latest blogs or articles from the Swift Commerce blog. So that's it. And that's how you can get started with Swift Commerce. I hope this helps. If you have any other question, you can reach out via support.